It's literally
8 p.m.
and I have to be at my bridal shower tomorrow at 9. I'm going to try to flip this thrifted 80s wedding dress into my bridal shower dress. I've already seam ripped the zipper off. I have to add a panel in the back to make these pieces a little bit bigger because it's just like the slightest bit too small, and then I'm going to shorten it like above the knee and make it a little bit more poofy. And I think it's going to be really, really cute.
I measured the length that I wanted it to be, and then I just started cutting off the extra fabric. I was planning on using this extra fabric to create panels in the back to make it just slightly larger, but instead I decided to cut a long piece of fabric to make a strap, and then I cut that into smaller pieces to make loops to lace it up in the back.
This is what the dress looks like shortened. Instead of adding a panel in the back, I decided to make it lace up. I have hemmed it, and then I bought this boa from the thrift store. I was thinking about putting it on the top, but I think it'll be way cuter on the bottom. Tomorrow morning before I get ready, I'm gonna stitch this by hand onto the hem of the skirt, and I think it will be real cute, real fun, and funky.
It's the next morning, 6 a.m. I'm sewing this boa onto the top of the dress because it wasn't long enough to wrap all the way around the bottom of the skirt. So I decided to hand stitch this boa onto the top, and I decided to do 2 layers instead of just the one so that it was really fluffy. It took me about an hour and a half to hand stitch this on, and then I had to get ready, so
this is how the dress came out after sewing on the feathers. I didn't have enough feathers for the hem, so they went on the top, and I did 2 layers. Here's the back. I literally just got home from my bachelorette party and bridal shower. It's been worn all day long. And these are the shoes I wore. I think it came out very, very cute. Very impressed with like a 4-hour put together.
Here's some clips of my bachelorette party. We took a clay class. This was a 3-hour-long class that taught us how to throw clay on the wheel. And here are some of my pieces. I was able to spend this day with my closest friends and family, and I loved my outfit. I'm so glad I was impulsive and decided to do this last minute because I had so much fun.